We are Tej. Thank you very much, Balram Garu. Thank you for coming. There was some delay for Mr. Balram, so I apologize for the delay, but
I apologize for the delay.
Mr. Vemuri Balram is our client. I will not say was our client. He is our client, and most of you should be knowing that he runs a magazine called as Swati, which is issued in monthly as well as weekly issues. So we recently had a trademark case, which we fought for him, and then we got some favorable orders. Apart from that, Mr. Balram is a very learned man, so we wanted him to be the chief guest, and as well as my gurus in LLM, Dr. G.V. Reddy Garu and Mohan Krishna Garu, both of them. Now I'll take you through this thing. Very good afternoon, Honorable Chief Guest Mr. Vemuri Balram Garu and guest of honor, both my professors in LLM, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I, on behalf of IB Markets, invite each one of you to this occasion of the first anniversary of our firm. I would like to share with this August Assembly the journey in the last 1 year that we had traversed as a legal firm. Initially, the idea of setting up of the firm was brainchild of my two colleagues, Mr. Venkatramana and Vijay. They actually wanted to start this firm for a very special process which is yet to come into the legal field, which is called as monetizing of IP. So they wanted to monetize the IP of various people, because just getting the intellectual property in the form of a patent or trademark is not enough. But beyond that, you should be able to commercially exploit it. So that was their idea. Their idea of forming the company or the firm was at a very elementary stage. Then they wanted me to join it because they said they wanted someone for litigation. So they identified me as a litigant lawyer. So they said, please come and join us. I said, okay. Then I joined the firm at a stage when my partners were still thinking of the firm. It was at a very rudimentary stage. Then the goal was to set up an IP firm which was capable of doing all or any work in IP, be it filing, prosecuting, litigations, evaluating, and even a very new field called as IP audit, which not many people know. Then we had discussions, we had sittings, and then later we finalized the name, which is now IP Markets. This name was also coined by my colleagues, and I simply had to agree because majority was theirs, so I couldn't say anything. So I agreed to it, and we had this name in place. Then over the next few months, for a lawyer, searching an office is something which is very important. Most of my lawyer friends will agree here, because we want the office in a place where you will have access to the courts as well as easy for the clients to come. And nowadays, a major problem is parking. So when a client comes, he says, sir, there is no parking space. So where do I park my car? So we took the office beside the Cybercrimes Police Station. There is a lane there. That entire lane can be used as a free parking. So we got a very good office there. And in the next few months, it was a very hectic schedule for us to set up the office, renovating the office and then having the chambers done and all that. Subsequently, we completed the legal formalities, and we had a very small puja on 16th August 2013, which we marked it as a milestone for our 1 year anniversary. Now I would like to tell you about our firm. we focus on the very important aspect of protection, management, commercialization, enforcement or litigation and valuation. Now all these are very important in intellectual property field. Our core area of practice is in the area of patents, trademarks, designs and copyrights. Maybe we are the only lawyers firm in Hyderabad which does the filing of patents, and we do a lot of litigation. So when a client comes to us, the comfort zone that he has is we also have a litigating side, or rather a side which legally advises him, and after he gets the patent, how do you protect it? So that advice also is available to him. Then subsequently, we had great experiences in litigation. This 1 year was a great, I would very humbly say, was a good success for us because we had many litigation matters and we were able to secure many orders for our clients, be it appear for the plaintiff or for the client as a plaintiff or as a defendant. We were able to secure orders. We also very seriously look at international exposure. And in May last year, myself and my colleague, we had been to the International Trademarks Attorneys Conference in Hong Kong, where more than 9,000 lawyers across the world come and attend the conference. Most of the issues are relating only to trademarks, but that's also an opportunity for us to meet intellectual property lawyers who take care of copyrights and patents. So we had that exposure, and we firmly believe that unless you have international exposure, it is very difficult for us to traverse this area within the country, because now everyone knows what is IP, and there are a lot of firms coming in. We have one of the best firms in Delhi, Anand and Anand, for whom I am representing in Hyderabad. But then we thought our firm has to be something, what I generally call it as 100% IP firm in Hyderabad. The last 1 year was extremely exciting for the firm. We had a very good inflow of work, especially in the area of litigation and in registration of IPs. The last year also witnessed me securing some very good orders from the courts, as I already told you. Then, in cases which were filed by the clients and against the clients. And today, standing before this audience, who includes our clients, our well-wishers, lawyer friends, we feel humble that the Almighty has enabled us to prove ourselves worthy of what we are or what we claim. Today's event is not only a humble thanksgiving to our clients, to our friends, to our well-wishers, to our lawyer friends who have been of great support to us, but we want to assure on behalf of IP Markets, like the way our tagline goes, we deliver more than what we promise. Thank you.
Positive and reassuring. We welcome Mr. Balram Garu,